Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the annoying "there was an error with your request" message that appears on the Steam Marketplace. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, open your web browser on your computer. Once it's open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see three dotted lines. Click on those three dots to open your browser menu. And from the drop-down that appears, select Delete Browsing Data. This is an important first step because cache data can sometimes interfere with how Steam communicates with your browser. After clicking that option, a new window will pop up. Here, click on More to expand additional options, and then select All Time from the Time Range dropdown. This ensures you're clearing all stored data that might be causing conflicts with the Steam Marketplace. Once you've set the time range, go ahead and click Delete Data to remove all that cached information from your browser. Now, if you're still getting the "there was an error with your request" message on the Steam Community Market after clearing your browsing data, don't worry. Sometimes this issue isn't on your end at all. Steam may be experiencing temporary server issues or rate-limiting requests during high traffic periods. In this case, the best solution is to simply wait a few minutes and try accessing the marketplace again. Patience can often resolve these temporary glitches without any additional troubleshooting. Another quick fix you can try is signing out of your Steam account completely and then signing back in. This refreshes your session and can sometimes clear up authentication issues that prevent the marketplace from loading properly. It's a simple step, but surprisingly effective in many cases. If the problem persists, it might be time to try a different browser altogether. Switch to Firefox or Microsoft Edge and see if the Steam Marketplace loads correctly there. Sometimes specific browser configurations or updates can cause compatibility issues with certain websites, and using an alternative browser helps you identify if that's the root cause. While you're troubleshooting, you should also consider temporarily disabling your browser extensions. Extensions can sometimes interfere with website functionality, even if they seem unrelated to Steam. To do this, click on Extensions in the upper right corner of your browser, then select Manage Extensions. From there, turn off all your extensions one by one. This will help you determine if any of them are blocking or interfering with Steam's marketplace requests. Another important thing to check is your VPN connection. If you're using a VPN or proxy service, disable it temporarily. Steam security systems sometimes reject requests coming from VPN connections because they can appear suspicious or be used to bypass regional restrictions. Turning off your VPN allows Steam to verify your actual location and can resolve access issues immediately. Lastly, if none of these browser-based solutions work, try accessing the community market directly from the Steam desktop app instead. Sometimes the app provides a more stable connection to Steam servers and bypasses whatever issue is affecting your browser experience. And there you go, you've now got multiple solutions to fix that frustrating Steam Marketplace error. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.